In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a travel agency website with the WP Travel Engine plugin for WordPress. If you're excited to create a functional and attractive website for your travel business, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. First things first, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control center, and from here, you'll be executing most of your website building activities. Once you're in, let's move on to the next step. Installing the WP Travel Engine plugin. This plugin is a powerful tool designed specifically for travel agencies to help manage bookings, display tours, and much more. In your dashboard's menu, navigate to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Travel Engine. Click Install Now, and after it installs, make sure you activate it. Next, you'll need a theme that's compatible with the WP Travel Engine plugin. While any WordPress theme should generally work, there are specific ones tailored for travel agencies. Feel free to choose one you like or use Elementor if you want a more custom design. It's optional but can make your website truly stand out. Once your theme is set, it's time to configure the WP Travel Engine settings, which will tailor the plugin to your specific needs. Begin by setting up your currency. This is crucial as it allows your customers to see prices in the correct format, enhancing their shopping experience. Moreover, define your payment options. PayPal, Stripe, or bank transfer are available. Choose the ones that best suit your business needs. After settings are configured, the next step is creating unforgettable destinations. Click on WP Travel Engine and navigate to Destinations, then Add New. Here you can fill in all the relevant information and images to captivate potential travelers. Subsequently, add your trips or tours. Navigate to Trips and click Add New. Provide detailed descriptions like names, duration, and pricing. Don't forget to upload appealing images and assign the appropriate destination, category, and tags. When it comes to publishing, simply hit the Publish button to make your travel packages live on your site. Next up, creating essential pages such as Home, About, Contact, Trips, and Booking is vital. These pages help organize your site and offer potential customers the information they need. Consider using short codes or Elementor for displaying trips and booking forms stylishly. You can enhance your site further by adding some widgets or features like search filters, customer reviews, and testimonials. These not only improve user experience, but also lend credibility to your travel services. Finally, don't forget to test your site. Check the booking process, payment gateways, and ensure everything is mobile responsive. This ensures that your site works seamlessly on all devices, a key factor in today's tech-savvy world. And there you have it. With your website carefully crafted, you're now ready to captivate travelers from all over the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel confident about designing your travel agency website using the WP Travel Engine plugin.